everyone, this is Infinity Tutorial Channel. Please, as you watch, remember to like, subscribe and share. Okay, so today I'm going to continue from our confidence interval, and today we are going to deal on our small sample. So how to know your small sample? As you can see, I decided to use a small book to represent the small sample. So our small sample is known when n is less than 30 and the sigma is unknown. Okay, when n is less than 30 and the sigma is unknown. So anytime you are solving you are asked to solve for a confidence interval, and you look at the numbers of variables, in that numbers of variables is actually less than 30, and if it is less than 30 and the sigma, which is our standard deviation, is unknown, then you know that you are dealing with the small sample. So, and when you are asked to solve for the small sample, for the confidence interval of a small sample, is given by, the confidence interval is given by bar x plus or minus t alpha over 2 comma n minus 1 standard error of x. Okay, so this is how to determine your small sample variation. This is how to determine it, where bar x is our mean. Okay, our mean, and this t alpha over 2 is actually gotten from our statistics table. Okay, our statistics table, and likewise our large intervals, you also evaluate this t alpha over 2 by subtracting 1 from the alpha over 2. Okay, always subtract. Remember to divide this confidence level by 2, and you subtract 1 from the confidence level. So that's how to determine your small sample. And this n minus 1 is called the degree of freedom. The degree of freedom. That is the meaning. The degree of freedom. So in your small sample, in while looking at your statistics table, you are actually going to find, using this degree of freedom with your confidence level, and you actually find your t. That's how to find this t. This t is trying to tell you is a table for a small sample. Now, the standard error of x, as usual, is determined. The standard error of x, as usual, is determined by s divided by square root of n, where s is our standard deviation and n is the number of variables that we are dealing with. Okay, so that's how to solve for your small sample. So afterwards, you use the when you've gotten all these values, just input it into this formula and you arrive at your small sample confidence. Okay, you check for the confidence interval of your small sample. So I believe this video was useful and helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.